145. So that's what I'm looking for. I want to be long the bottom of this range, and then just taking a peek, see what it does at 140, 160 when we break. See if we get some metrics for it today or not. If not, I want to be short under 145. Get a pull back into this, go back into consolidation, stay between 40, 80 would be like ideal. I guess I just want to see how we open. We give this maybe good opening range, 5 minutes. My gut's telling me that the short is the play today, but we'll see. I'm not going to get any rush into that, and I definitely don't want to get married to the bias or married to the idea. And that's one of the things that's, I know it's difficult for younger traders. It's so easy to get stuck in this bias of one way or the other. Like I was saying yesterday, I don't all I want to do is take the system, and I want to take the evidence that I have, and I want to take the trades that when I have all the evidence back in it, that I take those great trades and catch big moves and all of that. Right, that's what I'm looking for always, to be on the right side of the trend. So
Order filled.
But anyway, I got to start going on the put side. If I can get a pop up into that 62, I'm gonna take a little bit of an ad. Not enough out of this to take any profits yet. I'm not taking profits till 45. So same plan. If we do bounce back up to 62 here, of course, I'm taking some more slow grind, couple of bucks out of these things. Come on, give me 45. That'll be just right. I'll get about $5 out of these by the time we get there. Yeah, this is pretty weak sauce, man. I got a good trade on here. Take a little profits there. Pay myself a little bit. We're close to the target. It's within the trigger range. So, I want to sell just a little bit. Let's go. Few bucks out of those. I'll get down to 2 here if we close near this. There we go. Taking some more off there. Got myself down to 2 contracts. See if I can get an ad here, another one. Got about $4 out of those. Profit stops in place on the puts from the last 2. That took me out completely on the profit stop. So got a good trade started this morning. I'm digging this shit here. I like it. I think we're gonna get some downside. I took a pretty fat short in my swing account. So as far as the day trading account, though, I'm just waiting for the setup here. But I got what I was looking for at 162. Took profits in my swing account. I got a nice fat short on that one. So I took profits in my swing account.